Diving into our meeting spaces, Wind Creek Bethlehem is a full-service property that offers 254 guest rooms and 28 suites, along with 6 meeting rooms totaling 12,000 square feet, with an additional 3,000 square feet of pre-function space and 14,000 square feet of trade show and event space. By 2022, Wind Creek Bethlehem will have 3 incredible ballrooms, beautifully outfitted guest rooms, a high-end lobby bar, custom art installations, spacious pool areas, a luxurious new spa, and an impressive 35,000 square feet of additional meeting and event space, adding dynamic new experiences. Once complete, Wind Creek Bethlehem's integrated resort will boast 60,000 square feet of combined meeting space and over 500 hotel rooms. Under one roof, guests can also enjoy various dining options, from upscale restaurants to world-renowned chef Emeril Lagasse to classic favorites. The Wind Creek campus also offers well-known brands in their outlet shops, nightlife at the Vision Bar, concerts and famous acts in the event center, and over 200 table games, stadium gaming, and slot machines at the Wind Creek Casino.